Just literally got it 2 times.
Okay,
So,
cool.
you're good. I've got a spare
Me, please.
extended quick draw.
Oh, I wouldn't say no to that if no one needs it. If you can keep it for the time being, because I've got two ARs.
Right, I'm probably okay to go now. Where's the zone?
Yeah, we have to go. We do have to go now. So get the car in front. Oh,
On the road.
yeah. In
You
front
have
of
to
my
go?
house. Yeah, in front of Johnny houses.
I don't want to go.
Tough shit. Let's go. There's sweeties in the car.
Yeah.
Is there?
There's an SKS right beside it. Come
Oh,
down.
there is. Yeah, with a silencer.
Okay, I'm coming to get my SKS and my silencer.
I do have
Jump.
a spare car.
Run away! Where are we heading anyway? Oh, Jippo camp. Yeah.
Are you going to Jippo camp?
Yeah, we totally
No,
are.
neither of you actually appears to be coming towards the fucking car.
Excuse me, look at the map. Johnny's not, but I am.
Yeah, I'll be there before you.
You probably will, but I'm still running.
Fucking SKS. It's fine. Go.
Oh, same time. Same time. Right, no shooting. I shall put my suppressor on my AK-47.
What's your push to talk button?
F.
T.
Take your hand off the mouse and put your hand on T, and that's it.
Where are we going? Somebody
Jippo
mark
camp.
Jippo camp.
I'll mark it.
The red buildings on the east side of it is what we're going
Whoa! Fuck!
for. No problem, Mum.
You have little feet.
He's testing your face. He's testing your face. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry. I thought we didn't shoot you first. The three people.
See how come when I shoot out, I don't hit anyone in the car? Go right,
I've
Tony.
no
Go right.
idea.
Go right. Go right. Go right.
What the fuck?
Man, I hit that earlier on as well.
Right, press control 4.
Go right. Go right. Go right. What the hell is it?
Hang on, aim for the hill. You can just run like a bolt. To the left.
Up towards.
Oh,
Is he crashed?
what?
He's crashed.
He's gone.
He's crashed. That's fine.
Oh shit, get out.
Tony, you fucking balloon head.
He's gone. He's gone.
He's gonna kill him. Just wind him up and let him go. Oh man. He can reconnect like, but
That was hilarious. Dude, he's
is
in
he in
the
the
zone.
zone? Is he?
Cheeky bastard. Yeah, look at him. I'm right on it. Look.
Well, that's alright when he reconnects.
User entered your channel.
That was
Oh no, he blew up!
Oh no, he didn't.
He did. He did play up. Oh man.
Did you just fucking grenade me?
No. So you crashed into a rock.
Yeah. How did you get out?
You crashed into a rock, and then we were like, it kept going straight, and then we're like, right, he's crashed, and we jumped out. But then you eventually did get off the rock and just went straight forward. Crashed into a building. Just as you connect the TeamSpeak, the car actually blew up in the building.
I connected for the crash. I saw the explosion.
Yeah,
I'm actually, I don't know why it exploded though, not really.
you'd already impacted into the wall, like
Yeah.
so.
Right, you ready? You gonna run across here? You should have healed up first.
Ah, oh, we should have.
What?
Should have went back on the Tony.
Well, it's
Yeah.
actually inside the zone.
I know, that was the thing, yeah. It was a funny bit as well.
What did you have, Tony?
AK and me, UAP. And
No.
a stack of first aid kits and stuff.
Yeah, I thought what? It's boring shit.
Goodness, guys, that's different ball game.
Yeah, man, I would have put the fucking fire jacket on and went after it.
Fire jacket. And I'm a little surprised that we have this area, to be honest.
Yeah. Eventually Tony will come. Every time we go to Jip will come, Tony dies.
Yeah, man, I fucking feel sick after laughing so much, I'll be honest with you. It was just too funny.
It was fucking funny as fuck.
Uh,
I gotta report that.